Welcome to Unlock English Through Stories, where every story helps you understand English better, feel deeper, and grow every day. If you're new here, please subscribe to Unlock English Through Stories. It really helps me bring you more true and powerful stories. Stay with me until the end of this video. This story will change the way you see English and yourself. Thank you truly for being here. Let's begin the story. Her name was Hira. She lived in a small, quiet village, a place where girls were not allowed to dream too big. In that village, education for girls was limited. Most girls stopped studying after high school. They were expected to become housewives, to stay inside, to depend on their husbands for everything. But Hira was different. She didn't want a life of silence. She wanted something more. After completing intermediate, her parents told her, "That's enough. No more studies." Her dreams were paused. But deep inside, she made a promise to herself. "I will respect my future husband, but I will never be financially dependent. I will learn. I will grow. I will rise." She didn't argue. She didn't fight. But she didn't give up either. She went to her father and said, "Please, I want to learn online. Buy me a laptop. Give me internet. Let me try." Her father was afraid. "What will people say?" he asked. But he added, "I trust you." He agreed, but with one condition. No one in the village should know. Keep this a secret. Hira nodded, and her journey began. She started learning digital skills online. There were no classes, no teachers, only her and her determination. She failed many times. She made mistakes, but every mistake became a lesson, and every lesson made her stronger. Years passed, and Hira started earning money. Not just a little, real, stable income. She no longer asked her parents for anything. She stood tall on her own feet. She didn't need to prove herself with words. Her actions spoke louder. Her family saw her growth. Her father said one day, "I was wrong. Girls should learn. Girls should earn. You've changed my thinking." But then the village found out. People whispered. They judged. They said cruel things. But Hira didn't break. She didn't hide. Instead, she walked into her community and spoke. She said, "I didn't leave my culture. I simply used my mind. And now I help my family with pride." Some parents began to listen. They allowed their daughters to learn from Hira. And slowly, change began. Today, Hira runs her own online academy. From the same house, in the same village, among the same people. Who once said, "She's just a girl. What can she do?" Now they say, "She's an inspiration. She's the future." Even the boys who once ignored her now say, "I wish I could marry someone like Hira." Because when one girl rises, she opens the door for many others. Maybe you were like Hira. Maybe people say no to your dreams. But remember, dreams do not need permission. They need courage. Start small. Learn quietly. Grow steadily. Believe deeply. Did this story touch your heart? Like this video. Subscribe to Unlock English Through Stories for more calm, deep, emotional English practice. You're not too late. You're not too weak. You're learning. And you're doing better than you think. Thank you for watching the whole story.